What's up guys, Clint Reether here with MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. Today we're going to check out a 2024 260 SLX. Now that we're inside the 260 SLX, spacious bow up here, foldable armrest. Underneath you have storage up here in the bow, storage here in the floor, windlass anchor up front as well. Now we're in the cockpit of the boat. This is equipped with Sea Ray's power tower with dual fusion audio tower speakers as well. Audio throughout the boat. Onto the dash, you'll have your dual SIMRAD screens. Everything is through those screens. Depth finder, chart plotter, all that. You also have wireless charging for whoever's driving. Nice wraparound seating with storage underneath. Table mount right there as well. Controls for your power tower here. Onto the aft part of the boat. Nice day seating back here. Cup holders everywhere, USB ports everywhere. This is equipped with the foldable swim platform as well. If this is something that interests you, come check us out. My name is Clint Reether at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas.